Walter Van Dusen at the Matthews booth. 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 I am here at the NAB 2024 with the founder.
No, I'm not the founder. My father bought the company back in the early 70s, but the company was founded in 1968 by Roy Isaiah. My dad bought it in, I want to say 71. And he had a partner then. They bought the company and developed a lot of the hardware you see all over this trade show hall. They started as a sewing company, and Ed, my father, developed the hardware side of the business, including stands, clamps. He's famous for the folding leg C-stand, which we launched in 1973.
Your father designed that?
That's right.
So post-purchase,
yeah. He had worked for Roy for a couple of years. He was the machinist. He was the sales guy. He kind of did it all. He was very passionate about innovating. He used to be a rock and roll guy. And, when I look at some of the designs we have in our catalog today, they very much resemble, what you would see in a drum kit. He was a drummer. So he was always into hardware. He took that passion and ran with it and developed, 80% of the catalog we have today. He developed the 5/8 pin, as well as the 1.1/8" junior pin. Back in the 70s, there were no standards. Different studios had different mounting solutions, and Ed's goal was to get everybody kind of on the same page. And through the SMPTE and working with several key manufacturers, they agreed on 5/8 and 1.1/8 for lighting rigging. Ed ran the company for nearly 50 years. The company went public at one time. It had, 15 rental companies under its conglomerate in the 80s. And then that kind of blew up. It got too big. Ed decided he wanted to buy the little Matthews manufacturing portion out of the group, which he did in the late 90s. And shortly after that, the group went bankrupt. My dad still had his baby, Matthews, and he continued to innovate and rebuild the company. So we've been around a long time. We've done a lot of different things. My dad unfortunately passed back in 2019.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. He's missed by many. I miss him every day, but we're here.
He gave you a great foundation from personally and business-wise.
Thank you.
And hopefully those great blue eyes.
Thank you. You did. I got his eyes.
And his heart.
And I hope I got his big heart.
You did.
I had the pleasure of working for him for over 10 years. We had so much fun together. I miss him every single day. I'm blessed to be able to carry on the legacy that he created.
It sounds like you're passing it forward.
Yeah.
You are now going to be doing this the next, hopefully 50 plus years.
That's right.
And you're going to be passing it forward to the next generation.
That's right. I have kids now, and they're very curious about, grip heads.
How many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
So at least you got 50-50 chance of them stepping in your shoes, right?
That's right.
So is there anything that you're excited for, like 2024?
I'm excited because we have a lot of great new products we've been working really hard on for years that we're just releasing over these next few months, starting here at NAB.
Which Martine will be talking about, but is there anything that sparks your fancy?
Grip rail and middle max, light mover, those are things to check out.
So Matthews is not sitting on the laurels. Is that how you say it? Is it laurels?
The laurel.
Fanny?
Yeah, no, we're not sitting on our fannies.
And you're innovating. You're producing new items. You're not just a grip company. You're also motion and like all this cool stuff.
Well, yeah, we've been getting into a little more of technical products in terms of things like the air climber, which is pneumatically controlled. We tried pneumatics in the late '90s. It didn't quite work out. We retooled and figured that part out, and now we have the world's largest stand at 25 feet called the air climber.
That's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, that's cool. And then we partnered up with Erno Doss at Light Mover, which is this device behind me here, which is capable of panning, tilting, and controlling flood spot on any light fixture. Also works with reflector boards and several other cinema tools that we all use.
And Martine would be going over that specifics, but I just wanted to thank Matthews personally for my willingness. We did a little bonus video at the beginning talking about the wheels and the stand itself, but I'm very happy to be on board with Matthews. They've been very supportive. This is my third show maybe with this, and last year's NAB, I was having a really hard time pushing around. The thing with this, anytime you do something, you have to look like you're not struggling.
Sure.
And nobody's really seen me struggle at all with this.
I've been watching you walk around the show, and you
Easy peasy, right?
you're easy peasy, moving and grooving. Yeah,
Because if it's hard, then they notice you, right?
yeah, for sure. Yeah,
It's like getting onto the airplane with heavy luggage. You have to make sure you look like you're faking it, right?
you don't want to look like you're struggling.
Because people don't want to help you. They want to see what's going on. So I just wanted to thank Matthews and the team. And this is just a little behind the scenes of how Matthews got started. The father passed down his amazingness to his son, and then he has 50-50 chance of doing the same. So it's just awesome. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Cheers, buddy.
Thank you.